Dear friends, I have met many patients in their 60s, even 70s, who come to my clinic and say, "Doctor, I guess I just have to accept it. The tingling in my hands, the aching knees, the weakness in my legs. That's just old age." But I often sit down, look them in the eye, and say, "No, that's not just age. Your body is missing something it once had in abundance: collagen." Collagen is like the thread that holds everything together. It keeps our knees flexible, our nerves transmitting smoothly, our muscles strong. The problem is, by the age of 65, we've lost more than 30% of our natural collagen. Like an old house with loose joints, we start to feel pain, weakness, and imbalance. The good news is, we don't have to accept that fate. I've seen patients change dramatically just by adding certain vegetables into their meals. When we give the body the right building blocks, it remembers how to heal itself, how to rebuild collagen. And you might be surprised, the best sources are not exotic pills or expensive powders. They're right in your kitchen, on your plate. I remember one of my patients, a 68-year-old woman who struggled with knee pain for years. After adding beets to her morning juice, she told me, "Doctor, my legs feel lighter. I can walk with my grandkids again." That's because beets improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues that need to rebuild collagen. Okra, humble as it seems, is like natural joint lubrication. Its sticky texture reduces friction, while vitamins K, C, and manganese support collagen health. Don't underestimate parsley. Often used only as garnish, it actually holds more vitamin C and K than oranges or kale. It also contains apigenin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects the cells making collagen. Tomatoes are another gift. Lycopene acts like armor, protecting collagen from sun damage and oxidative stress. People who eat tomatoes regularly often look and move younger than their age. From the ocean comes seaweed, rich in trace minerals like zinc, copper, and manganese, essential keys for collagen enzymes. Perhaps that's why the Japanese, who eat plenty of seaweed, often keep supple joints and youthful skin well into their 80s. Dark, leafy greens like spinach switch on our collagen genes. Beta carotene and magnesium act like tiny sparks that tell the body, keep producing. Sweet and vibrant, red bell peppers pack more vitamin C than oranges. Their red pigment, capsaicin, shields nerves and joints. Humble sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A and beta carotene, helping renew cells and strengthen connective tissue. One patient told me his digestion and sleep improved just by adding them a few nights a week. Elegant asparagus carries glutathione, often called the master antioxidant, protecting collagen and slowing aging from within. Finally, broccoli. Studies praise its sulforaphane, a compound that activates the body's self-repair system, mending ligaments, tendons, and collagen-rich tissue. Friends, sometimes health doesn't come from complex solutions, but from seeing our food differently. Collagen hasn't left us. It only needs a reminder that life is still worth moving for. These 10 vegetables aren't just nutrition, they're resilience, renewal, and hope. I've worked with thousands of patients, and I know this: true health begins not with surgery or expensive prescriptions, but with the humble choices we make in our kitchens every day. Collagen is not a luxury, it's a gift our body can create if only we give it the right tools. So don't wait for a miracle pill. Sometimes the answer is already at the market, waiting in a basket of vegetables. Start today, feed your body, and let your body thank you with stronger steps, deeper sleep, and a healthier tomorrow.
If you'd like to continue this health journey with me, please hit subscribe, turn on the little bell, and share this video.